Did you know almost half of adults snore at some point? But here's the kicker, most don't even know it. Let's find out why. Snoring happens when air can't move freely through your nose and throat while you sleep. This makes the tissues vibrate, and voila, instant chainsaw. But here's the funny part, you don't notice it because your brain goes into do not disturb mode when you're out cold. So while you're dreaming of running marathons, your nose is throwing a little party. Sometimes it's caused by stuffy noses, sleeping on your back, or just plain old genetics. So next time someone elbows you awake, remember, it's not your fault. You were too busy snoring to notice.